Okay, this is my first ever attempt at a video, so I'm going to sharpen some scissors. As you can see, I've got a piece of kitchen roll here, a pair of big old scissors, and they mark it, but they don't cut it. As you see, my Proedge is set vertical. I found this is the best way to see what's going on. And this particular pair of scissors is a set of wallpaper scissors that have a flat grind on the very edge. So I'm going for a 90 degree. Let's see what happens. Okay, so back to the same piece of kitchen roll, and we've got a good cut. So I would say that was a success. These are actually used for cutting off my sandpaper, so are rather badly deformed. Having never done scissors before, I started with this pair, which, as you can see, have a beveled edge, not a 90 degree edge, and I just did that freehand. And these also now cut neatly. So there you have it, nice and simple. Key thing is get the Proedge vertical so you've got easy access, and away you go. That's it, thank you very much, bye.